Okay, so we're gonna change the oil in this lawnmower, get it ready for the summer season, and we'll check things over, check the spark plug, check the air filter, everything like that. And well, that air filter looks like it needs a good cleaning. Let's see here. Oh yeah, it needs a good cleaning. So let's start off with this. I'm just gonna go run to the store and get a new air filter. And yeah, okay, so let's get on with the work here. All right, well, we're gonna do an oil change on this. We're gonna change the air filter, check the spark plug. So let's get this thing up on some stands or something, and take the bag off, and we'll be right back. Okay, got the bag off and on some pail stands. Let's see what kind of socket we need for the oil plug. So that looks like a 3/8 socket wrench. Okay. Okay, let's just open this up. There. Let her drain. Alright, I'll just clean that plug off. Alright, put the plug back in. Now to put some fresh oil in there. I'll just get my funnel, and what I usually do is put 10W30 in it, or whatever the manual recommends, but I've always done 1030. Okay, so I got my funnel and I got my Lucky Castrol GTX 10W30. So gonna pour some in and then check it with the dipstick right there and see. It should go quick and easy. Let's check it out. Kind of hard to see, but yeah, still in the ad, so they'll add a little bit more. Okay, let's check it again. After, I don't know if you can see that, but don't overfill these things. And that looks good for me. So the oil change is done, and let's get on to the next. Let's try that spark plug. Okay, so looks like a normal size spark plug. Oh, a Champion. Yeah, 13/16. Let me get my wrench and I'll take it out. Okay, let's see what she looks like. Kind of hard for one hand. No, that doesn't look bad at all. Seen worse. And well, I'll just clean it off a bit and throw her back in. So we'll clean this up, but I gotta get some brake clean, and then we'll check the air filter. Okay, so let's brake clean this. Oh wow, look how nice and clean that gets it, eh? There's a parts cleaner too. Brake parts cleaner. Okay, well, I'm gonna do this, finish this up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that cleaned up quite well. And the red part, I can use a pressure washer. But see what it does to your hands? Make sure you wear gloves or protect yourself a little bit better. There's that filter. We got a new one. So I'm gonna just replace this one and get this thing going. So I went to my handy hardware store, and this is a replacement for that filter. So I'll just open it up, put it in, and I guess I'll go start cutting grass. Okay, so this new filter just fits into there. It's nice. And we'll put it on here. You might be able to hear somebody else is cutting grass right now, a neighbor. So I gotta make sure my grass is cut also. Okay, this just fits right on. Let's see here. It just has to go in those grooves. Okay, and turn. There we go. Alright, well, like I said, I use high octane 91 fuel in all my lawn equipment, and this one's ready to go to work. Hope you like the video. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, come back to the next video. There will be one coming out soon. Thanks again. Bye for now.